This is the incredible story of the small David and the giant Goliath, captured by one of the best artists ever.
We can still see the spot on Goliath's head where David has aimed the deadly stone with his sling. Caravaggio shows how David is tying the hair of Goliath with a rope after he has beheaded him. This will allow David to carry his head as proof that he has truly killed this unbeatable giant. He is serious about this task, and there is no triumphant look on his face.
The head and body of Goliath are really separated, as we can see David bending down on Goliath's shoulders, and on the left side we see one of Goliath's enormous hands, which is 3 times the size of David's foot.
What sets this painting by Caravaggio apart from most other paintings is how he used light to dramatize this event. The dark background and the dark hair and beard of Goliath contrast strongly with some of the essential elements in this composition. He chose to emphasize the most important body parts, which are the right leg, back, and arms of David, as well as the head, shoulders, and hand of Goliath.
Caravaggio painted this theme 2 more times, and this is the last of the 3 versions.
And this version is the most serious of the 3. But that was not Caravaggio's initial intention. Recent X-ray analysis has revealed that he initially painted the face of Goliath with a horrific expression, but the commissioner of the work must have rejected it as Caravaggio changed that idea and Goliath ended up with a more neutral look on his severed head.